friends, my name is Veer and welcome back to my channel Dynamic Veer. I'm back with a new video. So, today we are going to be unboxing the Mivi Room 2 Bluetooth speaker. It has 24 hours of playtime on medium volume, Bluetooth 5.0, 5 watt HD sound, and it is made in India. It has a 2000 milliampere large battery and it has dual speakers and it is water and dust proof. It has a premium metallic build. So it is engineered and made in India, and it is written here, push the limits. So they are writing it everywhere that it's made in India. So let's start the unboxing. So let's start. So this is the box. We're onto the speaker. Here it's written on the top, push the limits, and there's like a thing here. So in this, they have given all the instruction manuals and like all the guides and that all things here. Here is how to claim our warranty and warranty registration. Here is a product. So it's a pretty good build. It has these kind of holes for keeping it straight. It has a power button, the play pause button, the volume buttons. It has like this kind of thread to hold it. So the other things that come in the box are, there we go. We get audio to audio cable. We get maybe like a cable with the Mivi branding, so we can connect it. And this has a headphone jack, so you can use it as a normal speaker or a Bluetooth speaker, both. So we have the option over here. So I have already paired the device. It came like maybe room 2, so we can connect it. So now I'm testing it out. Let's test out the speakers. And if you didn't notice, this is the OnePlus Nord 2 I unboxed. So the speaker quality is pretty good. It's pretty loud and bassy. So let me try out another song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
It's pretty loud and it's pretty good. So it's a pretty good speaker overall. It has 24 hours claimed battery life with medium battery level, so take that into consideration. And its build is pretty good. So thank you friends. Subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell given down below. Subscribe. Bye bye.